Have you ever received a blood test report and seen the letter CBC? In today's episode, we're going to explain what a CBC test is, why doctors order it, and what the main results can tell us about your health. CBC stands for complete blood count. It is one of the most common blood tests performed in medical laboratories. A CBC provides important information about the cells in your blood, white blood cells, and platelets. Let's take a quick look at each one. First, we have red blood cells, or RBCs, which carries oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. If your red blood cell count or hemoglobin level is low, it may indicate anemia. The CBC also measures hematocrit, which represents the percentage of your blood that consists of red blood cells. Next, we have white blood cells, or WBCs. White blood cells are an important part of your immune system. They help your body fight infections and respond to inflammation. A high WBC count may occur with infections, inflammation, or other conditions, while a low count may be associated with certain infections, medications, or problems affecting the immune system. The CBC also includes a white blood cell differential, which measures different types of white blood cells, such as neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, and basophils. Finally, we have platelets. Platelets play an important role in blood clotting. When you have an injury, platelets help form a clot to stop bleeding. A low platelet count may increase the risk of bleeding, while a high platelet count can be associated with several different conditions. So, why is the CBC test important? Because it gives healthcare professionals a general picture of your blood and can help detect or monitor conditions such as anemia, infections, inflammation, and some blood disorders. However, here's something very important. A CBC result should not be interpreted by looking at one number alone. Doctors and laboratory professionals consider the patient's symptoms, medical history, age, sex, and the reference ranges provided by the laboratory. So, the next time you see a CBC report, remember that every number tells part of the story. And if you want to learn more about medical laboratory tests in a simple and easy way, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.